Hi finance professionals. You have been doing financial analytics the wrong way up till now. Don't miss out on how it's done the right way. We are giving you a sneak peek into the top secret of how top companies of the world are doing it, and you can do it as well. With this downloadable template, you can convert any finance and sales data into financial analytics. Either it be in Excel, SQL, Access, Workday, anywhere. If you have custom requirements, we can do it for you as well. These successful templates are being used by 137 plus top companies to make big revenue and cash flow decisions. It has proved itself as the most reliable financial analytics template, developed by expert in business intelligence. It is easy to use and provides consistent advanced analytics. This is a one-stop solution for all your financial needs. Either it be income statement, revenue insights, financial details, cash flow analysis, age trial balance, or balance sheet. We can do it for you. We help individuals like analysts, executives, managers, leads, departmental heads, and business owners, from small and medium enterprises, to visualize their data in financial dashboards. Everyone's got a problem, but future belongs to those who takes action and resolves them. This dashboard is the only next step which will land you your dream position as a finance professional. And guess what? Everything is done for you. With 30 days constant support, we will always be there to help you out. Get this downloadable template by emailing us or contacting us here and get the appreciation and respect you have always wanted as a finance person in your organization. We only help those individuals who are passionate about improving their finances, since you can't improve it if you can't measure it correctly. You can get our WhatsApp number or email address at the end of the video. So, feel free to reach out to us before we increase the price for the dashboards.